Find your edge with the Nautilus Performance Series T618 Treadmill. It gives you the training programs, tracking tools, and comfort features you need to push your limits and hit your goals. The T618 lets you create and measure your own customized workouts with 26 unique training programs. For race training, the Nautilus Pacer has your back with real-time coaching that tells you when you're on, above, or below the ideal pace to meet your goal. The T618 even measures your endurance capacity and gives you a fitness score at the end of your workout. When you're feeling adventurous, you can also experience the ultimate mixed reality training app, Explore the World. Travel the world while you train with the amazing new digital fitness experience that lets you explore short and long courses all around the globe. Just choose and download the course you want. With the addition of Bluetooth, track your data, and take a tour through breathtaking scenery without ever stepping outside. The T618 is geared towards your comfort and convenience. With features like our exclusive rebound cushioning deck, which minimizes stride impact while maximizing kickoff. Speed and incline controls integrated right into the handrails, so you can adjust them without slowing down. And a built-in USB charging port to keep your battery life full while you work out. Plus, a 3.5 CHP motor, 2.75-inch rollers, a 20 by 60-inch gym quality running pad, telemetry-enabled heart rate monitoring with wireless chest strap or grip sensors, premium in-console speakers, and a 3-speed fan. All of which adds up to a treadmill that delivers the performance results you want and the connected metrics you need to hit your goals. That's Nautilus training.